In this video, we will take confidence with the first concept of the European Rail Traffic Management System. European Rail Traffic Management System, or ERTMS, is the European Railway Signaling and Speed Control System. But first of all, what is a Railway Signaling and Speed Control System? A railway signaling system is given by the set of devices, apparatus, subsystems and elements present on the railway network that allow the train to run in safety. There are railway signaling systems applicable only to a specific nation, for example, Sistema Controllo Marciatreno in Italy, and there is the ERTMS that can be applied on all European railways. Since ERTMS can be used on any European line, one of the main advantages of its use is the interoperability. The concept of interoperability indicates that a train made by any supplier and equipped with the ERTMS ATCS onboard subsystem can travel on lines equipped with ERTMS ATCS Trackside subsystem made by other suppliers. Interoperability in the railway field represents the critical concept for integrating the various European systems, and its implementation allows a significant increase in performance in the transport sector. The ERTMS architecture is mainly composed by onboard subsystem and trackside subsystem, as indicated in the image. Both onboard subsystem and trackside subsystem communicate with each other and with the other devices that compose the ERTMS. The communication between all these devices is regulated by the technical specifications for interoperability. All the concepts described in this channel are aligned on baseline 4 of the TSI CCS. The European Train Control System corresponds to the Train Control Standard, and it defines rules for both onboard and trackside subsystems. ATCS is the signaling and control component of the ERTMS. All the system requirements for the European Train Control System of ERTMS are defined in subset 26, from 1 to 9. The trackside subsystem is composed by balise, is a transmission device that sends telegrams to the onboard subsystem. Balises are organized in groups, called balise group. A group consisting of a single balise is the single balise group. All telegrams transmitted by the balises in the same group define the message sent by the balise group. Line-side electronic unit are the electronic devices that generate telegrams to be sent by balises. The telegram to be sent is chosen considering the condition of the line when the balise is passed. Radio communication networks can be the future rail mobile communication system introduced in baseline 4 and or the global system for mobile communications in a railway. The GSM-R radio communication network is used for the bidirectional exchange of information between the onboard subsystem and the radio block center or radio infield unit. The FRMCS radio communication network is used for the bidirectional exchange of information between the onboard subsystem and only the radio block center. Radio block center is a computer-based system and is used to elaborate messages to be sent to the train. The radio block center can be interfaces to the FRMCS and or GSM-R radio communication networks. Euroloop is used only in level 1 and provides to the train signaling information in advance, like the radio infill unit. What changes between a Euroloop and a radio infill unit is the technology used to produce them. The Key Management Center is used to manage the cryptographic keys. Cryptographic keys are used to secure the Euroradio communication between ERTMS ATCS entities. Finally, the public key infrastructure, used to manage and distribute digital certificates. Not all these components will be present at the same time. Their presence is relative to the level implemented on the line in which the system will operate and to the functions to be implemented. The onboard subsystem is composed by ERTMS ATCS onboard equipment. Is a computer-based system that supervises the movement of the train on which it is installed. Supervision of the train movement is performed on the basis of information exchanged with the Trackside subsystem. Onboard part of the FRMCS and or GSM-R, used for the bidirectional exchange of messages between onboard subsystem and radio block center or radio infill unit in case of using the GSM-R, or onboard subsystem and radio block center in case of using the FRMCS. ERTMS ATO onboard equipment, introduced in Baseline 4, is a computer-based system that can replace the driver in train traction braking activities. Thanks for your attention and follow the channel to be updated on the next publications.